Thank you for tuning in, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove your clutch basket on your 700 Raptor ATV. Basically, the first thing you want to remove is your side cover. That should pretty well be, self-explanatory. Just keep removing boobs. Just keep removing bolts till it comes off. Once you get that pretty much removed, go ahead and loosen these all the way out, and then remove your springs and this cover. Chrome sockets on the impact. Not the safest, but it works. Once you get all your clutches removed and steels in your front pressure plate, you can pretty much come over here, and there's an indentation on this bolt. You will need to take a little chisel or one way and knock this little indentation over so this nut will spin off. Now once you get this knocked out of the way, as you can see, you want to find your socket to fit this and get your impact, because you put anything other than the impact on it, most likely you're going to break this. Yeah, and you don't want that. So get you an impact and a good air compressor before trying to remove one of these clutch baskets. Now once you get that pretty well removed with an impact, it will lift straight up. Another thing, on these 700s, you got clutches right here on the bottom of this right here, just so you know. But once you get that, you can pretty well just pick straight up on this. Once you make sure this comes off, and then straight up. And you got a bushing inside here. Want to check, make sure that's good if you're replacing this. Most of the time it is. They never hardly wear out on those. But as you can see, it was that simple. So I hope you enjoyed this how-to video. If you did, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. If you do, drop me a like. And if you did find it helpful, be sure to leave me a comment. I enjoy hearing from you. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.